don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amapenzo TV. It's the African Cup of Nations. Egypt 1, South Africa 0. I'm joined by Brashaba.
Stibo. Simnandi fethu?
Simnandi.
No man, simnandi.
Sure.
Yeah, team yethu squad sethu sidlalile. Yeah, sidlale kamnandi, and then though coach kwi first half we were too defensive we starting level sakhe the way bayadlala ngakhona. Yeah, usuke wabakhombisa ukuthi ngathi siyabasaba, uyabona. Kanti ukube nje uvele nje mazisuka wakhululeka nje waba free, wafaka ama player vele esijwayele ukudlala ngawo yabona, because beshoda kakhulu la ngo number 10. Yili player besilifuna kakhulu la nge first half. And manje first half into beyisibulala basingena ngale side leli elabo ngezane elabo, uyabona. And manje apolice naye beka ngakhoni because umsebenzi bu too much. That's why ku end up kuze kuvela ini le penalty yabo, yabona. So into esikhostile nje kakhulu leyo, but other than that abadlalile abafana, and then sabuya na second half kuningi second half. Yeah, kuningi second half mani. Asazi ukuthi iVAR ingaimprove kanjani. Yes, besijabulile ukuthi iVAR ikhona, iyaspana, izospanela sonke ibe fair, uyabona. Mina ngifila ngathi ama occasions ayi2 bekumele ukuthi iVAR isibhekele ukuthi kwile incident yokucala kwenzakalani, then nalo was2. And ethina makumele iVAR ize ngakithi kuthatha more than 10 minutes ukuthi decide ukuthi kuyayiwa kuyocheckwa ukuthi le yiyo na or akusiyo, uyabona. So noma i-decision izophuma ukuthi akusiyo, but ekugcineni sifuna ukuthi kube fair kithi sonke, uyabona. Nathi sibe nayo lento ukuthi bangasibhayizisi, uyabona, because sisonke kwini kule tournament, uyamthola. Yeah, asingafili ngathi kwabanye kunokuba ne-upper kwabanye kunokuba
kune-unfairness,
uyabona. Yeah. So injalo Stibo. So otherwise mkhulu uFoster today man, yabona, bekangekho. Yeah, bekantengantenga. So igame mayiso second half awudingi nokuthi spend about 10 minutes.
Sure.
Change. Mkhiphe.
Yeah.
Ngwana sesukhona. Sidinga umuntu ofana nongwana sisi lapha, bekumele nje mawufaka ngwana sisi umfukengi, and then the rest bese kuzozenzakalela. Igame izobalula kakhulu. Sicale vele ngayo i-second half. Ngalenda ukuthi makubheda kufanele ukuthi size silinde ukuthi asibone i10 minutes ukuthi kuya njani ngalabo esinapha. Sesiyazi ukuthi iflop lilana la. Uyabona. Akulungiswe kusasenesikhathi. But otherwise sihappy bafana asiyeni phambili, ma supporters asipusheni ukusupport bafana. Monday siye ngefull force, amagoli esiwadinga nje Monday ayi3 ukuthi into yethu ibe safe, so khona ukuthi ibe right against izim. Izim sengiyayizwela ke ngoba vele ubhlungu buyowela kuyo.
Asivuthe
inyembe zethu
asivuthe
asiphekwa. Yeah, no, all you can say ukuthi we behind you bafana siyaphusha, akunakuthi lo ngoba wenze njani supporter in, but this is for i-country yethu. And then fanele sicale manje sijwayele ukuthi each and everything esiyenza kumele sibe together. The more siba divided, the more ama enemy angena ajabula, uyabona. And mawejabula ukhawatheka thina sonke, including wena ofuna ukuba against into esiyenza as a country. So lana akuna Pirates, akuna Sundowns, akuna ini. This is a Bafana team. So let's push Bafana, send supporter, and then nama supporter akhonile ukuthi across abo Lady T, abo Machaka, abo bantu bafuna to pick up. Pushani nathi we are behind you. Ngoba silana sisonke. Yabona.
So, I hope ukhila ukuzwile.
Yeah, killer man. No, killer. Sisemzansi futhi. Sela emzansi siphila la. So yeke lento yakho killer zolahlekisa abantwana futhi nencingo uyeza nazo nala kwesisikhathi. So abantwana bangathola into ezirong, asinikeze nabantwana into eziright, and then uyabona asibonga.
Thank you Bshaba. Usibane great ne.